Hello from Gamma. I am Lakshman Maheshwari, and today we are going to talk about Justice Deepak Mishra, the 45th Chief Justice of India. You can have a look at CJI Mishra. Justice Mishra was born on 3rd October 1953 in Odisha. He is a judge of the Supreme Court and the current Chief Justice of India. He will be in office from 28th August 2017 till 2nd October 2018, where on turning 65 he will retire. He succeeded the 44th Chief Justice of India, Justice J.S. Kehar. Justice J.S. Kehar was the first CJI from the Sikh community. Justice Mishra started his career in February 1977 as an advocate. He served as the former Chief Justice of the Patna and Delhi High Courts and was elevated to the Supreme Court Judge on 10th October 2011. He is the nephew of Justice Ranganath Mishra, who was the 21st Chief Justice of India during 1990-91. A very notable incident in the life of Justice Mishra happened during the 2011 Delhi bombings. He was the Chief Justice of the Delhi High Court during the 2011 Delhi bombing. It took place on Wednesday, 7 September 2011 at Gate number 5 of Delhi High Court. The blast killed 17 people and injured 76. Justice Mishra had the court up and running within hours of the blast. He refused to be faced by the blast and said, "We cannot be seen as cowing down before terrorists." He is a liberal freethinker, well versed in literature, philosophy, and history, and has high regards for constitutional values. Now let's have a look at some of the notable cases in the career of Justice Deepak Mishra. He was part of the bench that ordered playing of the national anthem before screening of film in cinema halls. Justice Mishra led the bench which rejected the 1993 Mumbai serial blasts convict Yaqub Memon's plea to stop his execution. Justice Mishra received a death threat but upheld Memon's execution. Memon was hanged shortly after the verdict. In the Delhi Nirbhaya gang rape case, a three-judge bench led by Justice Mishra has upheld the death sentence awarded to the four convicts. He authored the landmark judgment confirming the death penalty of the four convicts in the brutal gang rape case. Justice Mishra and Justice Dalveer Bhandari upheld the Allahabad High Court judgment in the case of reservation in promotions. Reservation in promotions can be provided only if there is sufficient data and evidence to justify the needs, which goes directly against the Uttar Pradesh government's decision. He also upheld the constitutionality of criminal defamation and noted that freedom of speech is not without its limitations. Justice Mishra instructed police departments in various states and union territories to upload FIRs on their website within 24 hours of the FIR being lodged. This would enable the accused to file appropriate applications before the court for the redressal of their grievances. He was also the part of the bench of Supreme Court's 7 senior-most judges, which convicted the then Calcutta High Court Judge C.S. Karnan for contempt of court and sentenced him to 6 months imprisonment. However, there is a controversy surrounding Justice Deepak Mishra. There are allegations of impropriety. Jayant Kumar Das, an Odisha-based activist, wrote a letter to the then CJI T.S. Thakur in September 2016. He alleged that Justice Mishra misrepresented facts in attempt to get hold of public land meant to be distributed to the landless poor for agricultural purposes. Justice Mishra had applied for allotment of the land to develop a fodder farm in 1979. That's all about our 45th Chief Justice of India, Justice Deepak Mishra. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share to keep getting more useful information. Have a good day.